Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. OpenAI just released Sora 2 and it's completely changing how we create videos with AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step, how to write the best prompts, and how to generate your own cinematics videos without any editing skill. So let's dive right in. First, you can just open Sora like this. And once you're in here, this is the interface. The dashboard is super clean. You'll see a prompt box in here and your video history on the side. So now comes the fun part, writing your prompt. So think of this like describing the video scene you want to create. For example, I'm going to use this prompt: a cinematic sunrise over the ocean, waves crashing, birds flying in slow motions, shot on 4K camera. So the more details you give, the better your result. You can also add camera angles or lighting details like shot from drone or golden hour lighting to make it look even more realistic. So once your prompt is ready, you can adjust the options in here. You can set the duration, the quality, orientation, and after that you can just hit on generate. Sora 2 will start rendering your AI video. Depending on the length, it might take a few seconds to a few minutes. And once you're done, your video will be shown in here on the right side. When your video is ready, you can preview it by putting on your cursor on the video like this. And you can download it directly in HD by clicking on this download button. If you are using a trial or a free version, you might see a watermark. You can upgrade to remove it or use overlays when editing. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create stunning videos with Sora 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.